Ang pogi-pogi naman ng bata na to. Bigel. Uy, ang pogi-pogi mo naman. Bigel. Bakit sobrang pogi mo? Ang pogi-pogi, oh. Hello po.
CR ka na ha. Secure mo si baby. Taas mo yung wheels. Kaya ay ikat ka. Oh, po. Ang very good naman. Ang burp na yung burger namin ba? Opo. Hintayin mo si daddy. Hintayin mo si daddy. Ay, hintayin pa ng gwapo-gwapo ko na yan si daddy. Apo. Aba. Oh, niaanta ka na. Eh, mamaya pa tatawag si daddy na 5 a.m. po eh. Opo, bagel. Mamaya pa tatawag si papa. Opo. Can you say papa? Papa. Or daddy gusto mo? Gusto mo ba daddy? Oh, ay daddy pala. Gusto. Oo.
Starry, starry night. Paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day with a
I see you.
I see your button nose. I see your tiny toes.
Ay, kabur. Peekaboo.
Can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss.
Wow.
Teddy bear. He'll give us
Aba, aba, aba.
Let's try it. Blow a kiss to the teddy bear and see what happens. Blow a kiss to the teddy
So,
bear.
bumababa ka na dyan. No? Wait lang. Nanay si daddy. Ah.
Can you get out your tooth?
Nag-i-enjoy siya kay Miss Rachel.
Then shut
Up and shut. Tapos, clap, clap. Aba? Uy, maliligo ka na. Nag-i-enjoy ka pa dyan.
Read them, curl them, read them, curl them, right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open my true little mouth,
Aba?
but do not let them in. Great job! That was so much fun. These are baby's fingers. These are baby's toes. This is baby's belly button. Round and round it goes. These are baby's knees. And this is baby's nose.
Wow.
This is baby's belly button where mommy blows.
Seryoso siya manood. Oh. Nag-i-enjoy siya. Liligo na tayo, Begel.
Linis mo ng dilas. Paano yan?
And a mouth.
Nag-i-enjoy pa siya manood mo.
Where are your eyes?
Ah.
There they are.
Nilaki niya yung mata niya. Where's your nose, baby? Nilaki yung mata.
Ears. Ears. Good job.
Good
Your
job.
hair. Yeah, this is our hair. Hair.
Begel, ligo na.
If you're happy
And you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
if you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it,
Clap your hands. Wow!
and you know it, stomp your feet.
Oh, yung pito.
And you know it, stomp your feet.
Ah.
If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it,
Clap
stomp
your
your feet.
feet.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray.
Hooray!
you really want to show it.
Nakakagigil ka, Bigel. Sobrang cute mo naman. Bigel. Bakit sobrang cute mo? Sobrang cute mo. Nakataas pa ka ngayon. Ang taba-taba ng akong leeg ko. Kili-kili power.